2-hour chapter in 60 seconds? This is the human eye.
Subscribe to SKN Educate.
Class 10 boards equals 4 marks question. But students forget 10 parts. Today, we'll remember only 3. And those are L, C and R. L equals lens. Job? Focusing. Far to near, near to far. Just like a camera lens. If it fails, you need glasses. C equals cornea. This is the protective glass. It protects the eye from dust and water. It's transparent so light can enter. Equals retina. Job? This is the screen. Here an upside down image forms. Then the optic nerve sends it to the brain. Brain flips it, full process. Light, job, L lens, R retina, brain. Trick to remember, light came to retina, bonus. Can't see far equals myopia. Recall, LCR. Comment LCR if you got it. Daily 6 p.m. science tricks on SKN Educate. Subscribe for CBSE 2026.
Know today, lead tomorrow. Subscribe to SKN Educate.